in Texas, a pre-marriage agreement is designed to affect assets as you go into the marriage and control those assets. And most likely and most commonly, the assets that you've accrued during the marriage. Like the most common version is no community or what we call marital or community property is ever created during the marriage. Everybody just has separate property interests. And if you're very intentional, you can jointly own things together. That's the most common version of a pre-marriage agreement. A post-marriage agreement is a really good option for the situation we're describing because you're not divorcing, but you're going into a situation where you're not exactly sure what's going to happen. And if you have some assets, then we can take a post-marriage agreement and structure an agreement so that the parties, men, women, wives, whatever, are secured. Let's just say it that way, has some security
Yeah.
that if this doesn't work out and I've elected to stay at home and be that home care provider, and if we do end up in divorce, then these assets I know are coming my way, or insurance, or some stream of payments. Now, these agreements by law cannot address the kids.
Right.
Like it can't order child support, it can't waive child support, it can't affect custody or primary custody and things like that. But it can create a post-marriage situation. And I've drafted many of them myself where if someone's elected to give up a career, then in the event we have kids and they've elected to become a primary home care provider, and if there's divorce based on years of marriage or ages of the kids or whatever, and there are like contractual alimony payments and we define those payments. That's just one example. But you can define payments like that or streams of payments or property that can be secured by you just in case the marriage doesn't work out. So that's an excellent
Yeah.
option, especially if there's some assets out there.